Look at all those bluegills. Hopefully you can see them better now. The sun is right over my 100-gallon aquaponics tank, number one. Look how big they gotten. They're getting nice and huge. And they are hungry. As they splash the water. Those are not koi eating. They eat quietly. Those are bluegill, very aggressive feeders. Now let's go over and see what all that fish waste they're putting out doing for the garden on this Sunday. Look at all that green. As we go up into bed number one, look at the tomatoes growing. This tomato plant is in full bloom, putting out new tomatoes in the aquaponics grow bed. Now, lots of tomatoes.